Positive testing, also known as happy path testing, is a process of testing the software with invalid set of data and verifying that it produces the expected output. The goal is to confirm that the system behaves as expected. Now, few of the example scenario for positive testing would be login scenario test. Enter a valid username and password to verify that the login is successful. Another example, form submission scenario. Now fill in all the required field with valid set of data in a form and try to submit the form. If the form is getting submitted successfully, that's a positive result. Shopping cart scenario test. Add a valid product to the cart and proceed to checkout. So checkout functionality should be successful. So these was about the positive testing. Now what is negative testing? Negative testing, also known as unhappy path testing, is a process of testing the software with invalid data input and verifying that it handles the error gracefully. The goal is to ensure that system can handle the invalid input or unexpected user behavior without crashing the application or producing the incorrect result. Now, few of the examples of negative scenario testing. Login scenario test. Enter an invalid username or password and verify that system displays an appropriate error message. Form submission scenario. Enter invalid data and attempt to submit the form. Now it should result in some kind of validation error. Shopping cart scenario test. Now try adding the product to the cart with the invalid ID and validate that system is able to handle the error gracefully. So this was about the negative testing and few of the example. Now one of the other follow-up question that you might be asked on this is, what is the percentage of positive testing test cases and negative test case you should ideally write? Well, the majority of the test cases will be positive, as we need to ensure that the system functions correctly under normal conditions. So 60 to 70% of your test cases should be positive, and negative test cases are also very important to ensure the robustness and the reliability of the application. Hence, approximately 30 to 40% of our test cases should be negative.